Hi everyone, it is Summer with AstariaSen, and I am doing the 12 crafts of Yule for 2019. If you are just joining in, it doesn't matter if it's day 11 or if it's day 5. Please feel free to look back among the videos. There's lots of different things that I'm doing. They're all going to be simple crafts, mainly stuff that you can find around the house or cheap crafts. I get most of my materials at the dollar store or just found items or even thrift store type stuff. So the idea is to give you guys a craft you can do yourselves for gifts, for tree decorations, for altars, whatever kind of thing you want to do. And I'm leaving it open to interpretation so you guys can kind of just do it however you'd like. So I hope you guys enjoy this series. Hi everyone, I hope you enjoyed the little craft session today. It was also a short one. This is just a little Christmas or Yule oil, anointing oil for your Yule log or pine cones, anything like that that you want to do, but it could be a great gift. I used, this is my final product. And of course, it's not anything unless it has glitter for me. And then I added this little bow. And this little bow slips on and off, so it's just sitting on there. But I really like the little bow. It turned out really cute. But I used like hotter smelling or spicier smelling, cinnamon, allspice, cloves, stuff like that to give that warmer Yule feel. But if you're looking for more of an uplifting feel, like maybe somebody doesn't like the smell of cinnamon and cloves, you can also do it with oranges, lemons, and clary sage or something like that. And you don't have to add any essential oil at all to it if you give yourself enough time for the natural herbs to soak into the oil that you stick in the bottle, your carrier oil. It takes a few weeks for it to do. I added the essential oil because I wanted the smell more in there. And I know that it takes, I think it's like 2 to 4 weeks for the smell to actually infuse into the oil really well. I think you can use it before then, but to really get that smell going, it has to be, has to sit for a while. So I put a lot more cinnamon than I did anything else in this because I like the smell of cinnamon. But if you prefer a different smell, feel free to use that. Or if your friend, if you're giving this as a gift, as a Yule gift, find the smell that your friend likes and allow that to be what the gift is. And you can decorate the bottle any way that you want. You don't have to use one of these bottles. You can use a small bottle. You can use a bigger bottle. You can use, just about anything that you can decorate, and they can use as their smelling oils or anointing oils or whatever they want to use it for, or whatever you want to use it for. Who says it has to be a gift for somebody else? Maybe it could be a gift for yourself. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you again with the next craft.